This tutorial will guide you through the process of purchasing the Star Pass and EA Sports FC Mobile Soccer. The Star Pass offers players exclusive rewards and enhances gameplay, making it a valuable investment for avid gamers. Follow these steps to successfully buy the Star Pass and unlock its benefits. So let's begin. First, open the FC Mobile app, and the FC Mobile app, make sure that any available accessible account is synced with the FC Mobile app, like Google Play or EA account, since most of the games like this need an account that syncs with this game so that they can track if someone uses a transaction using credit, debit, or any transactions that can be used for this game. If your account syncs in this game, just tap the Store tab, which is located at the bottom right of the screen beside the Exchange tab. It will take a few seconds, so wait for it. Now that we are in the Store tab, tap the Store Pass, which is located at the left side of the screen below the Top Events tab. From here, it's up to you which one you want to buy, Star Pass. If you want to buy a Star Pass with a progression, just tap the Premium Star Pass bundle. If you want a basic Star Pass, just tap the Premium Star Pass, which is what I'm going to do. From here, just tap the button with a price tag below the Star Pass to buy it. Buying the Star Pass in EA Sports FC Mobile Soccer is a straightforward process that enhances your gaming experience by providing exclusive rewards. Remember to review the rewards before purchasing and ensure your payment details are correct. Now that you know how to buy the Star Pass, dive into the game and enjoy your new rewards.